everybody, it's Angel from the Natrona County Library, and today I am bringing you one of our take and make crafts. And these are the crafts that you can come down to the children's department while supplies last and pick one up, and then you can make these at home on your own. So the craft that we're going to do this time is a cupcake liner octopus. So if you come down to the children's department, we'll give you a bag that has what you need, most of what you need to make the octopus. Now you do have to supply a couple of things on your own. So in the bag, you will have the instructions, which are right here. And this is what we're making, a cupcake liner octopus. And we have all different colors. The one I'm going to make today is yellow. But it has a list of materials right here. And the materials in the bag are the cupcake liner, 8 strips of 1-inch wide paper. 8 strips of paper. What do you think that'll be for an octopus? 2 googly eyes, which I have right there. And the things that you'll have to supply on your own is a glue stick and a marker or a crayon or something like that. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the strips of paper, the 8 strips of paper. Now what do you think they are? 8 strips of paper are going to be what for the octopus? Because an octopus has 8 legs. You're right. 8 legs. So we're going to take the strip of paper and we're going to curl it around our marker. And you're going to curl it about halfway up. So it's about halfway, isn't it? And then you've got a curly leg. So we're going to do that with all 8 of the octopus legs. Oh. Have you guys read any good octopus books yet? When you get your take and make kit home, you'll notice at the bottom of the instruction paper there are some book recommendations about octopus. So I read one for our story time not too long ago about Inky the octopus, and I have that on the paper. Inky the octopus is based on a true story of an octopus who escapes from an aquarium. He got out of his little it's not his tank, I guess. I was gonna say cage, but they don't live in a cage. He got out of his tank. Somehow it wasn't closed all the way, and he made his way to the drainage and got out and went, they assume he got out and went back to the ocean. So that's pretty exciting, the story of Inky the octopus. And we have lots of fun books at the children's department about octopus. Oh, we've got one more. Here is our 8th leg for the octopus. When we get done with these, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the other end and we're going to bend it. So we're going to bend it up like this. And the reason we're going to do that is because we want to be able to glue it to the inside, because this is the head. This is the head of the octopus, and these are the legs. So you'll want to bend it, and you'll put a little bit of glue on the inside, and then just put it in there. And we're going to do that with all of the legs, all the way around. This is the last one. Oops. Put some glue on there and pinch it on there. Okay, when they're all on there glued, you might have to let it dry. Then you flip it over. Oh my goodness, there he is. And then you're gonna need your googly eyes. Now this can be a little tricky. So sometimes I just like to scrape the googly eyes across the thing because it's easier. Oh, look, there he is. Here's the other one. Right, oh, there we go, there we go. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Don't forget, put that away so it doesn't dry up. And then you take your marker, and he needs a little smile. Oh my goodness, he is so cute. Now that was super easy, wasn't it? So there's our octopus with its 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. Come down and get your own octopus craft. And don't forget to check out a couple of books about an octopus too. You might find something that's really fun. See you soon, guys. Bye.